Hey guys, welcome. My name is Tim Coates. I am the owner and founder here at Adonis Detail. We specialize in paint protective films, protective coatings, and window films. So I want to take a quick second, give you a tour of our facility, show you how we do things here, and some things that kind of set us apart from some others out there. So, little kind of waiting area. I got my dream car, McLaren P1 here on the wall, kind of remind us of what we're all working towards and some of the perfection that we strive to achieve. So, cool spot to hang out. We welcome all clients to come in, check out some services here. We offer a little information on the different films we offer, the window tints, as well as some kind of in-person, hands-on heat displays to really show you the benefits of the window films and some of the films we offer here too. So come on back to show you the workshop back here. We had a couple cool projects to show you guys and show you kind of how we do things back here. So this Mercedes is a fantastic example of what we do here. This car came in brand new, looking for protection. We only did that and we enhanced the look of the car by doing a ceramic coating, paint protection film, and window tint on this. This is kind of what we do here. We make the cars look great and we protect them. So we got to start in really fine-end detail and paint correction, but what we're really known for now is our paint protection film installs. So we carry many different types of films, many different technologies, but most importantly carry the latest technology in plotting software and actually plotter technology to make sure that we can get the most precise cuts, most precise fitment as well, to give you guys the most coverage and the most performance available out there too. So once you bring the car in, we keep things organized. We log you with the service tag to make sure you're getting exactly what we talked about and keep our keys safe, cars locked inside overnight. We're making sure everything's as secure and good as possible. This Porsche here is just an example of what we're doing in the prep process. You know, we spent some time doing a full vehicle decontamination and wash on this. It's getting our full body clear bra, so we're going through making sure everything's as clean as possible. In the middle of actually polishing the paint some areas that had some imperfections that we're going to be going through and refining to make it as clean as possible before we do any type of protective film on it. And we have such a variety of every compound, every polish available, from some German abrasives, Japanese, European, all types of different chemicals and products over the years that we've kind of accumulated and had just to tackle any project that we face. And you know, we love Teslas here as well. We even have our Tesla wall charger here just to make sure that you bring your electric car in, you bring your Tesla in the shop, we're making sure it's charged and ready to go by the time it leaves here. So we really take pride in all the customers, especially those with you know, special needs electric vehicles that need to be charged and ready to go. So that's kind of our workshop here. We keep everything really clean and organized when we can, because we know clean workspace is going to be better for end result. So from start to finish, we're always looking for the highest quality possible. So thanks for watching and appreciate you coming by. You're welcome here anytime. Give us a call or email with any questions. I'd love to go over and explore some options with you guys. So thanks for watching. I'd love to hear from you soon. Thank you.